Guys, it is V Solo Fredbear here with another video. You guys have seen Ruby. You guys have seen Flash, definitely. You guys have seen Oreo, but we got a new dog. Her name's Freya. Freya, how you doing? And whenever you sit on the couch and she's up there with you, and whenever you stop petting her, whenever she's not done with you, she'll like grab her paws and pull your arm back on you, or she'll start whining. That's literally all she does. And she likes to dig for buns a lot too. She loves belly rubs. She loves them, and when you scratch her on the neck, she does this kind of like smile, like her the end of her mouth was like up a little bit. Like, watch. Freya. Freya, stand up. No, you don't get the bone right now. No, not right now. Watch. You might not be able to see it, but it works. Yeah, she just loves chewing on bones. Like, she's chewed on a lot of other things that aren't bones. She's even shredded some dog toys lately. And in fact, she's been a good boy. But her, not so much. Yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Yeah, you guys have seen Oreo and Ruby. Ruby, she's kind of lazy too. Okay. And fish. See if I can find my fish. Oh, he's right there. It's a blue beta. And my brother's fish right there. Oh, I forgot. I'm gonna feed him quickly. It's beta bites, beta formula. It has color enchanting. Hold on, sorry. Naturally palatable with sustainably processed insects. There's a lot of words that I can't read. And yeah, it is. They are real fish. That one's really hard to see because it's blur. This one's a little easier to see because it's not that blurry. Yeah, not really much going on. I will see if I can, I don't know, maybe I will see if I can do gaming videos. I haven't done them in a long time. Yeah. My bottle flipping video, Detective J, Jace, I guess, because he doesn't even have an actual YouTube channel. He calls himself Detective J because, he doesn't want anyone to know that he's actually Jace T-Berg. Yeah, Yeah. So, yeah. There's not really much going on. But, yeah. It's really nice. Yeah, it's really nice. It's just amazing, yeah. And then, what was I gonna say? Yeah, it was on the top. My waterfall video was on the top of his For You page, like the first one on his For You page. Yeah, I'm trying to make a bunch of like. I'm trying to make like I don't know, just like weird Iron Mans kind of. Like, I'm gonna get a whole bunch of stuff that's Iron Man related, and just like I don't know, like cover it and like make random suits with that stuff. So yeah, hold on, I'm gonna go find something quick. It's the legs to this Iron Man Mark 42. Just a second. No, not Mark 42. I think I said 42. I'm at Mark 48. But I can't find his mask. And that's a problem. I can't find it. Whoa, hold on. Yeah, I can't find it. Yeah, I can't find it at all.
Please tell me that's a phone.
What?
What in the hell? Dog.
What? Oh, wow. Okay.
And they do that right in front of you guys because you don't see a thing.
Nope, don't. Because we think it's a bone, Mom.
Makes me think you guys need a babysitter in the summer.
Kind of. Yep.
No. Then you guys are paying for it.
I could cash in some money.
Huh?
I could cash in some money. I could hand out $40. All right. I'm going to find the Mark 1. Yeah, Freya. Yeah. Yeah, just see you guys. That's gonna wrap it up for today. Might do one maybe tomorrow. Yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Peace out.